somehow I know how they feel kapag nandun sa entablado. Pero ganun din pala yung nararamdaman bilang mentor or bilang judge. Kasi sa'yo nakasalalay yung dreams itong mga tao na to. Siyempre nervous for them, for their safety, pero I know they know what they're doing and they've trained for it. So I'm very excited for everyone to see.
You put your artists in danger. That's a bad point.
Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So a few weeks ago, na-shoot na namin ang finale ng Battle of the Judges, wherein isa ako sa mga judges, mentors, or coach. So, naisip ko, it's not your usual type of like contest kung saan magda-judge lang kami. Siyempre, may kanya-kanya kaming mga contestants that we're rooting for. So, it's a very interesting type of dynamics na meron kami sa set. And naisip ko, bakit hindi ko naman i-share sa inyo? So today, I will be sharing with you the behind the scenes of Battle of the Judges finale. I'm very excited kasi it's like a celebration of the grand finals kasi everyone's performing, including the judges, Alden, the host, and the rest of the grand finalists. So it's going to be very exciting. First time ko makakaduet si Miss Annette, tapos yung yung song pa ni Dua Lipa. So parang mag-i-enjoy lang kami dalawa na para kami nagkakaraoke pero on a bigger scale. Ko as a mentor, I just really try to guide them as much as I can, share with them what I have learned through the years in show business, and most importantly, yung suporta nandun parate para sa kanila. Kasi magkakaiba tayong klaseng tao. Yung mga alam nila kadalasan hindi ko alam. At meron din naman ako mga kaalaman na hindi rin nila pa na-experience or nalalaman. Kagaya ng paulit-ulit mo ina-advise sa kanila, kailangan nila ilagay yung puso nila sa entablado every time they perform. I will really fight for my contestants, for I believe kaya nila talaga na patunayan yung mga sarili na pagdating sa dulo.
Magandang gabi, Pilipinas! Go! Go!
Super masama. Pinapanood ko si Bea, sabi ko, oh my God, kailangan ganyan yung ginagawa ko.
Pasok Miss Annette.
Ang cute nyo. Ang cute ito, boy. Ang ganda nung
Basta sinusundan ko lang si Jose.
high energy sila.
Siyempre nervous for them, for their safety, pero I know they know what they're doing and they've trained for it. So I'm very excited for everyone to see.
You put your artists in danger. That's a bad point.
You know why I agreed for them to do it? It's because I trust in their skills and their talent. Nag-enjoy ako, nagkaroon ako ng bagong friendships. Isa na dyan si Miss Annette, siyempre si Jose at si Tito Boy. Ang dami ko ring natutunan sa kanila kasi haba yung time na pinag-iintay namin in between sets. So, lagi ko sila nakakakwentuhan and they're older than me. So, mas meron na silang wisdom about life. Ang dami ko natutunan kay Tito Boy kasi siya yung seatmate ko at kay Miss Annette. So, parang ako, it's an experience I will never forget. Naging contestant din ako minsan sa buhay ko, 'di ba? Nag-beauty contest ako and stuff. Nakakakaba yung part na yon, mahirap yung part na yun. It's as if your dreams are on the line. Kasi parang ganun din sa Go-Sees eh. Yung mga hindi lang nila nakikita. Go-Sees are like contests. And I have been through a lot of auditions and Go-Sees. somehow I know how they feel kapag nandun sa entablado. Pero ganun din pala yung nararamdaman bilang mentor or bilang judge. Kasi sa'yo nakasalalay yung dreams itong mga tao na to. And that's one of the reasons why noon kahit may offers ako of being a judge in other shows before, never ko talagang tinanggap kasi nga hindi ko ma-handle yung idea or yung concept of being responsible for another person's life or dreams. So, ngayon that tinanggap ko tong proyekto na to, parang nakita ko yung silver lining of it all or yung importance of it. Yes, you're given the responsibility, but also parang nandun ako sa point na buhay ko na kailangan ko to be able to give back because the industry has been so kind to me. The fans have been so nice to me and very supportive of me. So parang feeling ko it's about time for me to do the same for the younger ones, the younger generation. At kung ano man yung mga natutunan ko sa mga actors or yung mga tao, mga icons in the industry who came before me, kailangan ko yung i-impart din sa kanila because sabi nga si Spider-Man, great power comes great responsibility. I think being here and being successful and having accomplished, for me, many things, hindi ko alam kung ganun din sa ibang tao, but at least for me, parang feeling ko may kalakip na responsibilidad yun. At yun ay to be able to mentor and to be able to train the younger ones or impart your knowledge and experiences with them.
Ready na kahit puyat, okay lang.
Yes, ang amazing duo. Siyempre, nakakakabayan sa kanila. And to be honest, inabot ng umaga yung contest, yung competition. So, siyempre, I feel bad na inumaga na sila. Parang feeling ko they could have done better. They were great. They were great. But I have seen their rehearsals. And alam ko na may ibubuga pa sila. Siyempre, may kasama ng kabayon. Siguro puyat na din. Kaya meron sila sa routine nila na namiss. Siguro mga 3 beses kung hindi ako nagkakamali. And that's okay. It's part of life. It's part of their journey. Naniniwala ako that everything that is meant for you will not pass you by. And feeling ko, this is just part of their journey. Minsan, yung mga rejections, yung mga pagkatalo natin ay hinahanda lang tayo para sa bigger blessing or bigger opportunity para sa atin. Ginagawa na tayong strong. So, I think meron pa at naniniwala pa rin ako sa kakayahan ng amazing duo. Meron pa silang ibubuga. Kailangan lang nilang maniwala sa sarili nila. Siyempre, isa rin sa mga finalists ko si Joseph Valerio. Ayun talaga, believe talaga rin ako sa talent niya kasi he's a great storyteller. I mean, he is a true artist. Kasi yung ginagawa niya, performance art na almost eh. 'Di ba? Na parang nagkukwento siya habang ginagamit niya ang kanyang sand. Pumpuka siya ng puso, nagpapakilig siya ng audience. And kagaya ng sinabi ko nga sa show, all things beautiful are fleeting, just like the sand. 'Di ba? That he's doing, na nabubura agad. Pero yung memory and how he made us feel will forever be with us. Alam ko na he has already won our hearts.
Sino ang hihiranging ultimate champion at mananalo ng 1 million pesos? Congratulations, Marvin Manalo!
Sa lahat ng sumali sa Battle of the Judges, especially my contestants, maraming salamat sa pag-share ninyo ng inyong mga talento sa amin at sa pagiging hardworking and dedicated ninyo. Sana hindi mawala yung fire within you, manalo man o matalo. Kasi kagaya nga na sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, minsan binibigyan talaga ng pagkakataon ni Lord na natatalo tayo or hindi tayo pinapalad. Pero ang hindi ibig sabihin nun, kailangan na nating tumigil. We always have to push for our dreams. We always have to follow our hearts. At nakikita ko sa lahat ng mga nag-perform, nakita ko sa mga mata nila that they love what they do and that's the most important thing. So never lose that. Sa co-judges ko, sa lahat ng staff and ng crew na bumubuo ng Battle of the Judges, maraming salamat for giving me this experience and for making me part of the show kasi it's an experience I will never forget. I'm excited for season 2. Wow! Sa lahat po ng sumubaybay sa Battle of the Judges, maraming salamat po dahil talaga namang namayagpag din siya sa ratings and online. So maraming salamat. Maraming salamat mas higit pa sa pagsuporta ninyo sa aming mga contestants at sa pagsubaybay nyo rin sa kanilang journey to the top. So, sana po ay patuloy nyo lang suportahan ng mga Kapuso shows, including The Voice. Alam mo, napakadaming talento sa buong Pilipinas at ang sarap makita na maging part ng kanilang journey. Hindi lang bilang judge, kundi bilang audience din. Because I am an avid follower of these kinds of shows myself. So, ang sarap na makakita ng isang tao na tinutupad yung mga pangarap nila. So that's it, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget, life is beautiful. Mwah!